it's Yasi. Welcome to my channel.
Well, somebody's excited.
Yes! I am so excited. Oh, no, guys, there's a bug. But it's okay, we can just leave it there. Okay, so, Mommy.
So what are we doing today, Yasi?
Today we're doing the, what is it called?
This is called, hold on, let me get the box.
Yeah, she needs the box.
That's why this stuff is falling out. It has a hole in it. But it doesn't have a hole in it. So it's called, it's called the Kids Sand and Water Play Set. So, hold on, let me pick up my camera. So this is what it is.
I can't see y'all.
I'm showing them what it is, yes. Okay. So we have this thing.
I was just playing with it because I'm so excited.
And then we have our stand.
And it's so heavy.
It is heavy.
Because it has a lot of sand in it, right?
So we have pink sand, as you guys can see. So yes, are you excited?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, I'm so excited because my friend is here. I just love to play.
I'm so excited.
I'm so excited.
I just can't hide it. I know. That's all I know. Sorry.
Mommy making all. Oh.
Okay, so.
All right, guys. So.
All right, so I got it out. I got it off.
Oh, Mommy.
Yes.
No.
I don't know what that's for. So, it was pretty simple to put together. Got it from Marshalls. It was $14.99. So it's just a little something. Oh gosh, let me see. It's gone, yes.
Guys, you know how I'm scared of bugs. And
So.
Okay, I think it's gone now.
So I have some water and I got it in this. So
Yay,
I'm
I'm
just
so
gonna
excited.
fill it up.
Who's coming? Who's coming in there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my shoe's stuck. Shoe stuck. Ooh, that's a lot of water. Right, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
Water's coming. Somebody just passed it. No. Let's see if it can float.
It floats.
It floats. Did you see that? It float by itself.
Okay. Oh, well,
Ooh,
I got a
that's
little
hot.
bit more. It is.
Yeah.
It's not hot. It's warm.
Oh, yes, it is. My bad. You know, I'm so scared if it's hot.
You gotta sit down. Yes, they can't see you.
Well, you know how I'm afraid. So this is stop, this is slow, and this is go.
You're so smart. Here, move that stuff in here so I can push this towards you. And move your truck. There we go.
All right. Oh, my pink sand.
I know. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it.
I don't even know that.
I know you don't.
That scared me right out of the cracks. Okay, guys, this is gonna be so exciting. While Mommy's opening that, I'm going to play this. Can I even put water in here? Oh, it's... Ooh. You know how Mommy's afraid of messes.
I'm afraid of who?
You know Mommy is like, she don't like getting the mess.
Oh yeah, I don't like mess.
Wait, can I even pick up the boat?
got the singing.
So excited.
So excited.
Look, I got the boat right there.
Gosh, look at this.
Oh, don't let it spill.
No. All right, so yes, got her. What is it called?
Pink sand.
Sand and water play set.
I just love it. All right, let's get my truck.
Get your truck. Yeah.
And get it in. Oh, my
Yeah.
God. Oh, look at the tracks. And
Let's see the
dig
tracks.
some up. Dig.
Let's dig
Uh,
it.
Oh, I don't want it to get in the water.
Let's dig it.
There's a bug. You know I'm afraid of bugs, and no one's coming close. I'm gonna throw your shoe out.
Oh gosh.
Why are you laughing?
Because
Oh, and let's go back. Truck. And, oh, you know I'm afraid of messes.
keep on trucking.
I just don't want to make a mess. Because, you know, I'm scared of Mommy.
Now why are you scared of me?
I'm scared of Mommy because she be saying she don't like messes.
No.
She don't like messes. She don't like messes. Okay, pick that up. Put it somewhere that it needs to be getting with a truck. Put it. Dump it all out. Wait. Oh, wait. I have an idea. Oh, that's just a bug. That's just the itty bitty bug.
Itty bitty bug.
Oh, here, let me pull my sleeves up.
Pull your sleeves up. Pull your
Oh,
sleeves
let
up.
me get
Pull your
down.
sleeves up.
Oh, let's try the bowl. Yeah. Let's try the bowl. See how it works. Go on this thing. What do you call it, Mommy?
Honestly, I
A
don't
spare?
know. Sure.
Ooh, that was nice, right?
Nice, nice.
Oh no, there's a red light. Why you just passed it? Red light. Green light. Let's go under the track. Uh-oh, there's something stuck in our way. There's other stuck in our way. Ah, there's a thing. Oh, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Jeez. Just wanna go everywhere.
Splash.
Mommy said splash.
Splash. Splash.
Ah, no, you two, stop. You know there's a red light, and red light, what it's called? Stop. You can go now. Let's go dig up some sand.
Dig. You gotta dig a little deeper. Do you guys know that song? Yes, you should know that song.
I know it. Where's that from?
You gotta dig a little deeper.
That's from Motel Magic?
No.
Where's it from?
Dig.
Oh, Paw Patrol.
No.
Well, Rebel likes to dig.
I know he does like to dig.
But who is it from? Tell me.
You gotta dig a little deeper. That's from Princess and the Frog.
Oh.
When they met Mama Odie. And she said, you gotta dig a little deeper.
Oh yeah, I know it now.
Now you know it.
Oh no, I'm afraid the sand is gonna fall.
Let's see.
Let me see. Is the sand going to fall? Oh, it did.
It didn't.
Oh yeah, there's a red light.
Red light.
scared if I make a mess, and I already make a mess.
Yes, ma'am.
It's oh my gosh! I made the pink. You see, no.
You made it wet?
Yes.
Well, why'd you?
Oh my god! I made it. Okay, I'm just gonna dig up some more sand.
You gotta dig a little deeper.
Oh my gosh! Oh, can you stop? Oh, I want to put it.
And then she's gonna wash her hands in the water.
I'm gonna wash my hands. Oh my god!
And she made the water all messy. It's a big.
No! No! Get away from my family! Go!
Right.
Alright, gone. Leave my family alone. Back to my sand. I guess that's
gosh.
funny. You think that's funny?
I do.
Alright, here comes the last truck. Oh, what? Ow. Where's the red? Oh, there it goes.
You gotta dig a little. See, now that's gonna be in my head all day. All day.
And she's gonna sing it for all day.
All day.
All day.
All day.
All day.
All day. All day.
All day.
All day.
All day. Let's dig up some sand. And I make the water wet.
You made it dirty.
No, I made it wet.
You made it dirty. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
You don't sound like you do.
Yeah, but I just want to play with it. Oh my gosh, I made it wet again.
So like I said, we got this from Marshall's. I don't know if they still have it. It might be cheaper now because we kind of got it a while back. So in the sand, it's like I said, it's called sand and water play set. It was very simple to put together. It wasn't hard. I didn't even use their instructions. I just looked at the box and was able to put stuff together. So gives us a thumbs up, right?
Yeah.
So what do you say?
Thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe. And a thumbs up and see you later. But I just want to skip Mommy's. Wait, you can bring it out. You just gotta check.